everyone, this is Dr. Gayatri Partani Toshniwal. I'm MD DNB pathologist by profession. Out of my interest in embryology, I came to Chennai. Here in Chennai Fertility Center, under guidance of Dr. Thomas and Dr. Krishna Vignesh sir, I have started my training. Till now, I have handled more than 800 animal oocytes. I have learned the preparation of various dishes in embryology, also oocyte denudation and its preservation. I have learned about the techniques of semen preparation, its preservation, thawing, also oocyte preservation, thawing, and various methods of embryo culture. I have learned the ICSI procedure. It's like the whole world is at the tip of two needles. I have learned ICSI very well in the under the guidance of Dr. Krishna Vignesh sir. I want to thank Chennai Fertility Center and Dr. Thomas and Dr. Krishna Vignesh sir for this opportunity. Thank you.